I am Nada Bashir. I'm the director of the South County Teen Center. I am here excited about our new facility. You may not be aware that we moved from the South County building to the original Mount Vernon. Let me show you. I'm gonna show you the gym first. The gym is known for the team and for pickleball participants. They have been practicing here. We had great programs going on. And I will introduce Mr. William Young. He is the assistant director of the Teen Center, and he will talk to us about basketball.
Welcome back. Thank you. My name is William Young. I'm an assistant director here at South County Teen Center. We are right here, the South County 2020 Basketball Intramurals Champions. Here what we do is we show a lot of love, what love look like. We have these kids be themselves, come in here and attack different issues, whether it's social, educational, career-based, but everything is basically STEM-bound for success and love. And I'm gonna tell you like this, 2020 going to 2021, I'm so excited because we started as 2020 champions, we progressed and we ready to start all over again, the 2020-21 season, and become as repeat champions. South County rules. All right, come follow me. We're gonna introduce you to the new, improved Senior Center.
Hello, I'm Dan Moon. I'm the Assistant Director of the South County Senior Center. I'm gonna give you a quick look at our new and improved senior room. This is it. We have seating capacity for 36. We also have a nice piano in here. This is where we have seminars, we have arts and crafts in here, and we also eat lunch in here. This is our brand new kitchen. You see it's a nice setup. We have a double oven, we have a commercial refrigerator freezer, and eventually we're gonna have an island right here, and we're gonna have a nice pantry right here.
Hi, my name is Shaniqua Hamlin. I'm the Assistant Director here at the South County Teen Center. We bring to you our brand new game room. We are excited about our brand new pool table, ping pong table. We're gonna have a computer area here for staff and to also assist with some homework and academic skills for our participants. And I'm also excited about all the other programs that we have coming up as well. Our Double Dutch program, we have our entrepreneurship program, we have our Boys to Men program, our Man Up program.
Here is our new computer lab. It's available to the teens as well as the seniors. And this is our multi-purpose rooms. We use it for exercise. We use it for the dancing club. As you can see, it's huge, it's big. We do sewing club in here as well. It has hardwood floor. It's nice and spacious and bright. So it brings a lot of light to our life.
And this is our fitness room. As you see, we have 5 machines. We have 2 treadmills, 2 exercise bikes. This one is more like a go-kart. Upright seat with pedals out front. This one's more like a bicycle with the pedals right underneath the seat. And over here you have the most challenging machine, the elliptical machine.
This is our new entrance. As you can see, it's open to Richmond Highway, and we have the new reception area where you can come and you scan your card. If you have a dynamic card, you scan it here. If you need a membership, you talk to the person in there. Then you have your little living area or sitting area where you can sit and relax and have socialization or wait for additional assistance. Yeah, we are excited to see you. We want to see your faces.